What is going on, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could be earning $2 every 60 seconds, and this is via PayPal, no gift cards or anything like that. It's real money straight into your PayPal. Now, before we get started with this video, guys, I'd like to ask you to hit that subscribe button below and like the video, because if you truly are committed to making money, then I'm sure you're truly committed to subscribing to this channel. But if you have subscribed already, then I'm going to take you along into my laptop here and show you our first website. Now, in this video, I am going to show you guys 3 websites where you can be making this kind of money online, okay? Now, with these 3 websites, they're going to be offering out testing services. So it means that we're going to be giving our honest opinion in different tests we do. So it might be testing a company's website, it might be testing their service, it might be even looking at their logos and images that they use. And so I do recommend you guys go sign up to all 3 of these websites at the end of this video, because obviously the more you sign up to, the more tests you're going to be able to do and the more money you will be able to make. However, the first website we have right here is called enrollapp.com, and I will leave the link to the website in the description below. What Enroll allows us to do is take quick tests where we're going to be looking at different websites and we're going to be answering questions that they give to us. And so we can see straight on the homepage here, you can just sign up straight away. It's 100% free to do as well. You don't have to pay anything at all. And so we can see on the screen here now, we will be the first. So that means that these companies, they're going to put out, and so we can see on the screen here that we will be the first. So what that means is the companies, they're going to put out little sneak peeks into their websites or logos, and then that way we can actually give our opinion on it by answering a few simple questions that they ask. By answering these questions, it actually allows them to see if the website is doing exactly what they want it to do. Maybe there's a few things that they would actually want you to see, so they have to be able to make sure that these things that they want the consumer to see can actually clearly be seen. An awesome thing with doing these tests is you can do them anywhere in the world, okay? So it doesn't matter what country you're in or what time of day, as long as you have your laptop and you have an internet connection, you can do the tests right away. And it's awesome as well because they use PayPal for their payouts. It doesn't matter what bank account or anything you're with, they're gonna be using PayPal and transferring straight into there, and then from there you use your PayPal account to transfer into your own bank account. And adding on to be able to do it anywhere in the world, say for example you don't have your desktop PC or your laptop, you can also do this on a mobile phone or tablet. And at the bottom there, we can see there's 443,000 tests that have been taken so far. And we're actually going to go through, I'm going to go check out a sample test and show you what these tests actually look like. All right, so it brings us to the first screen here, which says welcome. Welcome to a sample test. In the next couple of screens, you'll be asked to execute a couple of different tasks. Please complete the task to the best of your ability. So let's begin. And with question number 1, click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips, okay? So let's go begin this. All right, so we're looking at this. Let's say, for example, this is the website. So we're going through, we're having a look. We've got some destinations in there, going through, and then here we go, inspiration. Need inspiration, and it has a little bit of sample text there. But that is right where I would say I would find that I would click for inspiration. On to the next question now. What does this page make you feel? So we have a look at this page. We can see it looks like we've got a trip to New York. It's got some flights, hotel, car. So it's obviously putting together a nice little itinerary in terms of payment. And so on the right hand side, it actually gives us a bit of multi-choice. So you can answer up to 3 options. So I would feel probably anticipation because I'm anticipating a holiday. Also joy as well, because who doesn't like a holiday, right? And it does say up to 3, but if that's all you feel, then that's all you feel, and then you can click continue. Last of all, it is asking us to elaborate, so we could say because, there we go, so it's just elaborating onto what our multi-choice questions were. And then great, tell us about yourself, so we just do that as per usual, so put in your gender, your age, everything like that. And then thank you for testing, that's it. As simple as that, okay? So for the way I did it, I probably took, 3 minutes to do something like that. You can do it faster as you kind of get used to it and see what they're asking and everything like that and get better and better at it. You're obviously going to get faster at it. I suggest you guys go sign up to that website right now and get testing. But moving on to our second website now, and that is Usability Hub, okay? So usabilityhub.com, that's the URL. Again, like I said, the link is in the description below. But what we're going to be doing with this website, so same with the testing, however, we're going to be testing more along the lines of design, okay? So whether it's images or logos, it could be how things make us feel. So very similar to the first website I've shown you as well. It does have those similarities, but you can even see the types of companies that actually work with this website. So we've got Amazon, Google, GoDaddy, so plenty of really good companies, which mean you're going to get good money and are probably going to get a lot of tests to do. So on the website here, we can go to the very top and click on Become a Tester. We can actually see how that all works. So earn money giving design feedback. So we already know how that works. And then quick and easy to do, and earn credits with every response. So you earn a certain amount of credits for every test you take and every response you make. And then once you reach a certain amount of credits, you can actually cash them out and they pay you via PayPal, as you can see on the screen here. So like I was saying, a certain amount of credits, so you get 10 cents per credit. So once you reach up to $10 worth of credits, then you'll be able to cash out, put that straight into your PayPal, and then give it to yourself. They also give you real-time notifications, okay, so straight to your email. So I suggest if you do have your email, if you have it on your mobile phone or anything like that, then put your push notifications on, okay, because you want to get in there as soon as possible and snap those surveys up as soon as they come available. So as I said with the first website, it's 100% free to sign up and the tests are quick and easy to do and they use PayPal to pay you out. So go get started with usabilityhub.com. But we're going to move on to our third website, and before we do actually do that, if you haven't already, like I said at the start of the video, hit that subscribe button below, and if you have, then let's get on to number 3, and that website is validately.com, so link in the description below. But what we're going to be doing with this one is we will be testing, however, it's a little bit more in depth, and because it's more in depth, you will get paid more money per test you do. So same as other websites, they do have some really good companies that actually work with them. So we've got Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and we can scroll down, we can see how it works, okay? So how does it work? Well, firstly, we've got to sign up. So you just sign up, they'll ask you a few questions just to get a little bit more information, and then we're going to start taking tests. So if we have a look at the frequently asked questions, because you probably have some questions right now, but what do we need to get started? Well, you need a computer with a microphone, or you can actually use your smartphone. So if you've got iPhone or Android, you can use those as well. And as for microphone, you don't have to get a super duper high quality microphone. You can even actually use, if you've got yourself some AirPods, or maybe you just have the plug-in ones that actually come with your iPhone, those are fine. They have built-in microphones. They'll do the trick. You must use Google Chrome and you must have high-speed internet connection. You must also be 18 years old or older. You must have the ability to communicate in English, okay? So because we're using a microphone and because we're going to be expressing our opinion via audio, we must be able to speak English. That's the most preferred way. So even if you're from a different country, as long as you know English, then that is fine. You must have a PayPal account. So again, they'll be paying you via PayPal, quick and easy. And the availability of tests, you'll be able to receive tests every single day, okay? So they are available daily, but in saying that, not every tester matches the criteria for every test. So that, like I said, with the sign up, you will be answering a few questions. And so they'll actually put you up beside different companies that want tests done, and they'll just make sure you meet the criteria before they actually allow you to take the test. And how much money can we be making? It says right here, it's in that $100 range. Okay, so like I was saying, it will take a little bit longer to complete these tests. Could take up to half an hour to do one, but if you're receiving that $100 range for half an hour of your work, that's pretty easy. And we're going to be giving a live remote research session, so it allows them to get our honest opinion. You'll be scrolling through, you'll be saying things like, okay, I like this, I'm not too sure where I can actually go and buy this, or where I go to sign up for this. Just like that. All you're doing is expressing your opinion with what you see on the screen, okay? So you don't have to rehearse anything or anything like that. They actually want it as raw as possible. So yes, this website may involve a little bit of extra cash, but it does involve a little bit of extra effort and time. So if you are willing to give that up, then that's perfectly fine. But in saying that, you might not be comfortable with giving a live recording through your microphone or anything like that. So if you're not comfortable with that, then I suggest you use the other two. But like I said at the start of the video, if you're comfortable with everything, then go sign up to every single website you can, because those surveys are offered to you. And so you want to make sure you get offered as many surveys as possible. However, those are 3 websites where you could be making $2 every 60 seconds, okay? So go get started, go hit those links in the descriptions below, sign up and start earning that money That is all for this video today, guys. If you did enjoy it, hit that like button below. That's greatly appreciated. And if you have any questions or just want to say hi, hit that comment section below. And even, guys, tell me what is your favorite website, okay? Which one will you be using within the next few days? But either side of me, guys, you can check out another video if you like, or hit that subscribe button. But that's all for this one. We'll see you in the next one.